Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a FlySky Paladin PL18 Receiver controller and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two reasons you're going to want to do this. If you're having any issues with this receiver not connecting to your cars or whatever you're controlling, or if it seems to be lagging or not responding, or if it's not detecting things, anything like that where it's not working, we can fix a lot of these issues with a hard reset. You're going to need to set everything up again because everything will be reset to the way it was when it came out of the box. So any models of stuff that you're using it on or anything like that is going to have to be configured. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting this up with a new device or something like that, you just want to get a fresh start like it's just coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that straight from the interface. We're just going to go to the Home 1 menu, and then from the Home 1 menu, we'll select System, and then on the screen, and then from System, we'll select General. And then under General, we'll scroll down to about one of the bottom, the last options is Factory Reset. Once we click on Factory Reset, it'll just ask us to confirm. We'll have to toggle over from the no to the yes, confirm it, and it will be restored to the way it was when it came out of the box.